Alright, what I've got here is another impulsive buy. This is a watch that has been sitting here with me for the past 3 days, and I've been extremely patient not to open it, just so that I have the time to do it on camera. Before I go with the unpacking, wristwatch check. That's the Omega 300 Seamaster 300 Professional. This is the blue lacquer dial and ceramic bezel. Okay, so the first time I've seen this watch was actually in a Jeffrey McMahon video, and I really liked the watch back then. The only thing that kind of made me question if I should buy it was the size of the watch. And fair enough, one evening I was browsing on eBay and I found this Italian guy who was actually having a good deal for this watch. He stated that it's a brand new watch, or the condition is like a brand new. So let's see what I've got actually. It's an extremely strange box. Inside don't have any visibility where the actual door is. Okay, bear with me on this one. Hopefully I'm not going to destroy the watch. Let's just make a door here with this fairly unimpressive knife that I've got here for the task. Okay, cutting through this box is really not that easy. Hopefully I didn't destroy anything of importance. And we've got the standard newspaper padding. Okay, and that's the watch here. Just let me remove the newspaper bits. Okay. And what is starting to shape up is a standard GShock case. Okay, let's see. Yes. So we've got the box. We've got an instruction manual for model 3221. Who reads this stuff, I'm not sure. Maybe with GShock sometimes it's necessary. Let's see what's else in the box. Nothing. Okay. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Okay, pretty simple packaging, and here it is. The King. Okay. Let's see how it looks like. Let me just zoom in a little bit. It's the Casio King. It's the full black watch, the full black version. Most of you probably won't be seeing too much. What we get is a watch that is supposed to have backlight. Let me try it. Oh yeah, it's like this. So normally before you buy a watch, you go online, you do a bit of research and try to find, okay, what's the benefits or what are the pros and cons of this watch and what are the negative points, etc. In this case, because it's a GShock, I didn't do any research. I just like the way it looks because it's a squarish type of watch. Let me just wipe this baby. Okay. So it's a square type of GShock that you don't normally see in this size. That's what attracted me to this GShock, and it is quite different, I think, in comparison to the other models of this size. One thing I should say is that I didn't do, as I said, I didn't do much research, but for some reason I decided, okay, once I've actually confirmed the purchase, I've made the order on eBay, etc. Watch was shipped, and I decided to actually read some feedback or users about the watch. And what I found out is that surprisingly this watch has a few issues, and those issues are related with fogging up of the front crystal. So people who live in places with high humidity, or people who are taking shower with the watch, they complain that the crystal would fog up and won't fix itself up, which means that probably the watch is not 100 actually a 200 meter water resistant, or maybe they were taking very hot showers, I'm not sure. And I'll do a full review anyway, but yeah, let me spend some time with the watch. Another complaint is that the visibility is very poor, which I can confirm right away. This watch barely looks like it's working. If you, even in a daylight at the moment, if you don't use the backlight, it's hardly, you can hardly see any of the digits. Yeah, and just for the size of it, it's absolutely massive. Let me show you a comparison with the Omega, or maybe even if I take some of my other watches, let's see the 45mm Hamilton. Let's put them together. Yeah. Do you actually see something? It looks like a black box on the camera, I'm not sure. Okay, and this is in comparison to the 47mm Bulova. Still looks massive. Very thick. I'll make a full review of the watch. I need to spend some time with it, and I'll let you know what my thoughts are. Okay, let me know what you think. Have you got any experience with this model, and what are your thoughts on this fully black dial, black on black if you want it, GShock, Casio, King? Yeah, let me know in the comment section below.